One of the most obvious examples for me to demonstrate why you need a lighting control system is when you think about your big living open plan areas, the living, kitchen, dining type area. In there, you will have a lot of circuits. You'll probably have ceiling spots, probably in different areas. You'll have them in the kitchen area, in the dining area, in the living area. You might have a nice alcove lighting like we have up here. You might have floor lights. You probably have a couple of 5-amp circuits for your wall lights. You probably have a couple of decorative circuits as well. There'll be pendants over the kitchen island, over the kitchen dining table. There'll be lights underneath the cupboards. So you will easily have about 10 circuits in that space. And with 10 circuits, that means, in traditional terms, that means a big plate with 10 knobs on the wall, and you're trying to remember which is which. And that's just clunky. It's not easy to control. And over time, you'll probably stop using it the way that it was meant to be. That's why we think lighting control is a much better thing to have. And lighting control is as simple as something like a keypad on the wall. So this is the keypad that we programmed for our lighting control here. And it's got various scenes already set on it. There's the welcome, the breakfast, dinner, and so on. And we'll get into those. But before I press the button, one other thing that's great about integration is that you can use your keypads for so much more than just lighting control. For example, our breakfast scene here, you'll see it in a second, that will not just set the lighting to what we wanted, but it will also turn the television on and put it on our favorite news channel. So if I try that now, you see the lights changing to the mood that we're wanting, and the TV is turning on. And that's all just from that one flick of a button. However, when it's dinner time, it's perhaps time to have a conversation with your family. So when I press my dinner button, not only do I want it to turn the television off again, but I actually also want to make sure the family is aware that we're having dinner. So we're going to send some announcements out on the touchscreens around the property.
Dinner time, come quick.
And there we go, the TV is off again. And we've now changed the light and the mood to be our dinner mood. One of the big favorites that we have as well within lighting control is the vacation and the all on, all off buttons. The vacation button is used when you are going away and you want to put your house into a safe mode. So not only would the vacation button arm your alarm system and set it, but it would also then start using your lighting control system to do what we call mockupancy. And basically mockupancy is playing back the lighting that you've had on over the past 2 weeks on a slightly random pattern to make it look like you're still there. And not only that, that feature can also integrate with your one of your televisions in your house, so the TV can come on and off, again to give even more of a sense of or simulation of occupation. Okay, so although I'm not going to go on vacation these days, sadly, let's just try the button and see what happens. And again, we have all the lights turning off, one by one, shutting down the house, letting us get out of there. And you can hear the beeping in the background. That's the alarm now being set. So what we're showing here is really just one example of keypads. There are many keypads out there, and there are many manufacturers that we work with. So there will be something out there that you will like, and all of those that we work with will integrate with Control 4 and give you that full experience of a smart home system.